Do you want healthy and strong pepper, tomato, and cucumber plants that will give you abundant fruits? It all starts from the ground up, rich and healthy soil. Today, we will reveal the secret ingredient that will transform your soil and give your plants the perfect start. Sounds interesting? Stay with us until the end, because at the end, we will reveal a recipe that your garden will not forget. Before we start, write to us in the comments. What do you usually add to the soil before planting vegetables? Maybe you already have a secret trick. Also, if you like useful gardening tips, press like and subscribe to our channel for even more ideas. The soil is the heart of your garden. If the soil is poor in nutrients, the plants will not be able to grow strong and healthy, no matter how hard you try. Before planting peppers, tomatoes, and cucumbers, it is very important to enrich the soil to provide the plants with everything they need for a successful start. Plants like peppers and tomatoes require a lot of nutrients in order to produce tasty fruits. On the other hand, cucumbers are known for loving soil rich in organic matter that retains moisture. And that's why, with our special edition, your soil will be ready for any challenge. And now, we come to our secret ingredient, turmeric. Yes, you heard right. Turmeric, in addition to being known for its medicinal properties for humans, has incredible benefits for the soil as well. But why turmeric? Turmeric helps destroy harmful bacteria and fungi in the soil that can prevent the growth of your plants. It helps revitalize the soil and provides plants with a healthier base for growth. It contributes to strengthening the roots of plants and improves their resistance to stressful conditions such as drought or pests. It's time to discover the recipe for enriching the soil. Here's how you can prepare the soil before planting. Take 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Mix it with 5 liters of water. Stir well until the turmeric is completely dissolved. Water the soil with this mixture a few days before planting the seeds. This mixture will cleanse the soil of harmful microorganisms, enrich it, and prepare it for your vegetable seedlings. Who would have thought that turmeric could work such miracles in the garden, right? If this trick seems useful to you, try it in your garden and let us know the results in the comments. Were your plants healthier and more resilient? Also, share this video with your gardening friends. Maybe you will help them improve their garden too. Click like, subscribe to our channel, and remember, healthy soil is the first step to healthy plants. See you in the next video.